The Orange County Convention Center, or the OCCC, is massive and spread out. This video will help you plan, navigate, and make the most of your IBS education time. All IBS education sessions are in the West Concourse. Game Changers, Super Sessions, and the AI and Tech Studio sessions are on Level 2, at one end of West, and the majority of the Building Knowledge sessions are at the other end of West on Level 3. There are a few Building Knowledge sessions on Level 2, near the Game Changers, Super Sessions, and AI and Tech Studio. It's important to know that Level 3 does not run from one end of West to the other, so you will need to go to Level 2, walking away from the Game Changers, Super Sessions, and AI and Tech Studio, and then up to Level 3 to access the Level 3 Building Knowledge sessions, which are on the opposite end of the West Concourse. If you are on Level 3 and want to go to the Game Changers, Super Sessions, AI and Tech Studio, and the Building Knowledge sessions on Level 2, you will need to go down to Level 2 and then walk across West. Because IBS education is spread out, it can take up to 25 minutes to walk from one area of the convention center to another, even from one end of the West Concourse to the other. Since IBS education sessions are first come, first served, we suggest you arrive 15 to 20 minutes before the session begins. So allow extra time to move between sessions and build the transition and arrival time into your schedule. Use the IBS app for specific IBS education room numbers and locations, and for directions to get you where you want to be from where you are. We're looking forward to seeing you at the Builders Show!